Man, happy 4th for everybody, man. It's hot as hell today, man. I'm finna get right on the motherfucking grill, though. Come the fuck on, man.
Look. Let me
You
explain this
always,
shit like that.
you always saying, look, what, motherfucker?
Look. Right here in every guy, I would not lie to you. Every time they get me,
Who gets you?
I come up on, I try to look out for you. They fuck me over. They say, Jelly, fuck you. I say, fuck you too.
Nobody fucking you up. You steal it from a motherfucker. You take it.
Look.
You a thief.
Look. I know it's the 4th of July, and you got like 2 bald head ass kids. That's my family too, but they bald head ass fuck. Look. I got some of them sparkler little shits that make them like do that shit.
I don't want no damn sparklers, nigga. I want some big shit.
Look, fuck that. Look. This just for your bald head ass kid. This is all the fuck I got right now. All my friends, we just saw all that shit earlier. I tried to hit your line, your bitch ass nigga answer. I get your phone off. What the fuck you want to do? $5 right now.
Nigga, anybody call my line? I think your phone off.
$5 right now.
For some sparklers, nigga?
$1 a sparkler.
$1.
Yeah.
Fuck it, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Punk ass, man. Better not come back around here either. Stinking motherfucker. Stinking ass nigga. This nigga gave me some. No, what the fuck? This nigga gave me some incense. Get the fuck out of here, you stupid bitch.